Elon Musk still the richest person in history. First in world with net worth over $400 billion, powered by Tesla, SpaceX. Foreign investors were net sellers of shares worth about 1,012.24 crore rupees on December 11th, as domestic institutional investors turned up to buy shares worth 2,007.85 crore rupees. Provisional data from the stock exchanges showed. Let's look at a few stocks that are likely to be in focus in today's trade. At first, we have Nuvama Wealth Management, Edel Finance Company, and Ecap Equities are likely to sell a 7.1% stake in Nuvama Wealth via block deals, reports CNBC TV 18, quoting sources. Then we have Gland Pharma. The pharma company has received approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration, US FDA, for phytonadione injectable emulsion USP, 10 milligrams per milliliter single-dose ampules. At last, we have Reliance Power. The company's subsidiary, Reliance NU Suntech, has received a 930 megawatt solar energy contract with a battery energy storage system BESS project from the Solar Energy Corporation of India, CCI, in an e-reverse auction at a tariff of 3 rupees 53 paise per kilowatt hour. Technical view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. The Nifty 50 index broke a 3-day losing streak on December 11th, closing above 24,600 after a range-bound session, supported by gains in auto, IT, and FMCG stocks. However, investor sentiment remained cautious ahead of key inflation data from the U.S. later today and India's CPI data expected tomorrow. Meanwhile, the Bank Nifty opened slightly lower, near 53,450, but saw intraday buying that lifted it to around 53,650 before slipping back to close 0.35% lower at 53,391.35.
If you are a trader following market calls and tips for day trading, use our tool RNT, Research and Trade. All you have to do is link RNT to your trading account, then just sit and relax. Turn trading into business at app.gwcindia.live. Check out description for more details.